how to fix could not find the recovery environment on Windows 11. Now, if you're trying to reset your PC and you are getting the specific error message, what you want to do is to follow my troubleshooting steps ahead. So first thing you have to do is go to your Windows icon right here and type in CMD. Now, from your command prompt, make sure that you run this as an administrator. So let's do that again. Go back to your Windows icon, type CMD, right click on it, and then click Run as an admin. I'll just have to click on Yes, and then this will pop out. So what you need to type in here is REAGENTC /enable, and then hit Enter. Now, once the operation is successful, like this one, all you have to do is do the same process as what you did earlier. And then if you are still getting this specific error message, then let's proceed on our last resort. Last resort is we need to use a flash drive, a USB flash drive. So make sure that that flash drive is empty and the specific size of that flash drive is perfect for your files that you have backed up on your current device right now. So if you already attached your device to your PC, all you have to do is to go to your Windows icon again and then type in create a recovery drive. Click on this one and then click on yes. Then this will pop out. Now all you have to do is to follow all necessary steps right here. Then once you're completed, restart your device and you should be able to reset your PC right now. So that's how you troubleshoot or that's how you fix could not find the recovery environment Windows 11.